This 80-piece impact nut driver set has so many different options, both in imperial and metric. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. Many of these have a deep well. That's important. Everything is clearly labeled. I also like these options on the side. They come in both medium and short. Everything is clearly labeled. I also like when kits come with an extender. I often use these far more than I originally thought I would. I'll get the 17 chucked up. Now I'm ready to remove these bolts. Now I will reattach them. Nice. I like how everything stays organized in the case. This is easy to take with you. Throw it in the back of your truck, throw it in your toolbox. I often need to take my tools to another location, and this makes it easy. In addition to the bits, the adapters, and the sockets, I also want to call your attention to this. This is one of the universal sockets. If you're dealing with an interesting size or you have a unique situation, this thing will often save you. That's not something you need every day, but when you need it, you're thankful you have it. If you're working with sockets that have other size connectors, they give you multiple here. If you're looking for a ready-to-use toolkit with a large assortment, in my opinion, you can't go wrong with this product.